Unit 2 Road Accidents อุบัติเหตุตามท้องถนน Lesson 3 Traffic Rule กฎระเบียบจราจร I don't wanna run away, just wanna make your day. When you feel the world is on your shoulders, don't wanna make it worse, just wanna make us one. Baby, tell me I will do whatever. Exercise 1 Vocabulary. Read and remember the meanings of these words. Exercise 2 Listen and repeat. Listen and repeat the words from the vocabulary box after the teacher. Similar, assistance, expert, high standard, design, tone bends, alternative, instill, permission, rumble strip, audible, vibratory, both side, rubbish, bin, genius, race rips, qualified driver.
Motorway.
Just wanna make your day. When you feel the world is on your shoulders, I don't wanna make it worse. Just wanna make us work. Baby, tell me I will do. Exercise 3 Listen and practice. Listen and repeat after the teacher. Then practice the dialogue in pairs. What are the traffic rules like in Laos? The traffic rules in Laos are similar to those in France. Oh, really? Why they are similar to those in France? Because they were written with the assistance of French experts. How can I drive in Laos? Well, you should always drive on the right side of street. What about bicycle? In Laos, bicycles can use same lanes with cars, but cyclists have to ride close to pavements. They shouldn't ride in large groups which makes roads become narrow. What are the street signs in Laos look like? The street signs in Laos are on the same as in other countries. Oh, I see. Now I can drive car in Laos. Thank you very much. Thank you. Exercise 4 Grammar Notes When เป็น subordinate conjunction ใช้สำหรับเสื่อมต่อประโยคน้อย clause เข้ากันให้เป็น complex sentence แต่ว่าสองประโยคนั้นมีประโยคหนึ่งเป็นเอกราช independent clause และประโยคหนึ่งแม่นประโยคขึ้นกับ dependent clause ซึ่งสามารถใช้ได้ดังนี้ ใช้อธิบายสิ่งใดสิ่งหนึ่งที่เกิดขึ้นเมื่อเวลาสิ่งหนึ่งอีกกำลังดำเนินอยู่และทั้งสองสิ่งนั้นเกิดขึ้นในเวลาเดียวกันเช่นตัวอย่างดังนี้ Dependent clause Independent clause When you are riding a motorbike you should respect the traffic rules strictly ใช้เสริมประโยคน้อยที่ว่าถึงสองเหตุการณ์ที่เกิดขึ้นในจุดเหตุการณ์และสภาพการในการเคลื่อนไหวเดียวกัน Dependent clause Independent clause When I met her I was about to go home from the market ใช้เสริมประโยคน้อยที่ว่าถึงสองเหตุการณ์หรือเงื่อนไขที่เกิดขึ้นหรือจะเกิดขึ้นในประโยคเอกราช Independent clause When he gives his wife a present, she gave him a genie sweet smile of thanks. I will start to think about it when I have to write my report.
มีหยังอยู่
Exercise. Use when to join the following sentence. I will give you guys 5 minutes to complete these sentences by using when. Let's start. Key answers. 1. When I arrived at school, I saw a girl sitting in a classroom. 2. I saw an accident when I walked out of the school. 3. I said thank you very much when he gave me a birthday present. 4. I will ask you when I have a problem. 5. I do it right when I do something. 6. When I was young, I listened to the radio waiting for my favorite songs. 7. When I was watching a television, someone knocks at the door. 8. I always stop my car when the red light is on. 9. When I saw an accident, I stopped my car. 10. I asked someone to pick up and put the rubbish into the bin when I see someone just drop them anywhere. Exercise. Exercise 5. Listen and complete. Listen to the teacher and choose the words in the box to complete the text below. Qualified drivers. The safety can be improved by methods that encourage safe behavior of drivers. All drivers should have been trained properly to become qualified drivers. In many countries, drivers must have driving lessons. When they pass a driving test, they will receive their permissions of driving for 1 year. After that, they could have their full license if they have no accident during the period of permission of driving. Using these methods, drivers will get used to safe behavior and complying with traffic rules. These will become the values instilling in drivers themselves. They will never drive while drunk and strict themselves on mobile phones used while on the move. The drivers who have been trained and passed the period of permission of driving will automatically traffic law. They will realize that red lights running is violent. Moreover, they will follow road signs strictly and good behavior while driving. In brief, qualified drivers can be trained in driving schools that can include the above methods in their training list. Key answer 1. Behavior 2. Properly 3. Lessons 4. Permissions 5. Period 6. Traffic 7. Drunk 8. Drivers 9. Traffic 10. Strictly. Who makes me wanna sing? Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Give me your hand before I'm old. Show me what lovers haven't got a clue. Exercise 6. Read and answers. Read the text below and answer the questions. Road for safety driving. In most developed countries, road designs are very important for safety driving. Well-designed roads can help save driver lives. However,
The construction costs of high standard roads are so expensive that many countries could not afford them. The high standard roads have tune bands impressed on the edge of the legal lanes so that drivers are awake by loud horns while they are tripping off the edge of the road. Tone bands are also referred to as rainbow strips, depending on the sound they create. An alternative method is the use of raised strip marking, which consists of a continuous line marking with ribs across the line at regular intervals. They were first authorized for use on freeways or motorways as an edge line marking to separate the edges of main lanes. The objective of the marking is to make the road signs be seen clearly by motorists in both day and night times. It also provides an audible, vibratory warning to motorists that their cars are swerving off the roads. When these standards are used in building roads, they can help reduce accidents on motorways. Truck drivers have confidence in using the motorways with this standard.
Don't wanna run away, just wanna make your day. When you feel the world is on your shoulders, don't wanna make it worse, just wanna make us one. Baby, tell me I will do whatever. It feels like nobody ever knew me until you knew me. Feels like nobody ever loved me until you.
Question 1. What are important for safe driving? Road design. Question 2. What can help to save drivers' lives? Well-designed road. Question 3. Why don't many countries build high-standard roads? Because the construction costs of high-standard roads are so expensive. Question 4. What do high-standard roads have? Tone bands, race rip, audible, vibratory warning. Question 5. Where are the tone bands placed? On the edge of the illegal lanes. Question 6. What makes drivers awake when their cars swerving off the roads? Allow harms. Question 7. What are the differences between tone bands and race rips? Tone bands impressed on the edge of the legal lanes, while race rip consists of a continuous line marking with rips across the line at regular intervals. Question 8. Where was the method first authorized for use? On freeways or motorways?
Nobody, nobody until you. See, I was enough to know if I ever let you go, I would be no one.
Exercise 7. Write a paragraph about the road in your towns. In my village, the roads are not as modern as in big cities. Many of them are from 4 to 6 meters wide and there are no pavements and drainage systems. Within the village, there is only 4 meters wide and the villagers seem to walk to meet their neighbors. During the rainy seasons, there are so many small and big holes along the road, and they are so muddy. There is also massive tiny dust which flew during the dry season. Street lights are necessary during the night, however, there are none of them. Many people use motorbike to travel or go to work, while some people use their car.
Just wanna make us one. Baby, tell me I will do whatever. It feels like nobody ever knew me until you knew me. Feels like nobody ever loved me until you loved me. Feels like touched me.